Talon to me is an incredible company that's got a 50-year history. Started off with George Sartin. He decided he had a passion for speedway and he was going to start making his own products for the motocross, speedway and enduro markets. He did a fabulous job for many, many decades. My name's Rod McDonough. I'm the Managing Director of Talon. So Talon is famous for motocross, for enduro, trials riding, sidecars. I mean, I don't think there are many 2- or 3-wheeled events that Talon hasn't supported over the decades it's been in existence.
Talon over the years has stood for quality and great performance parts. It's about being the best in the field and remaining the best in the field.
But we decided to take on Talon because really it wasn't keeping up with the competitors.
Talon in the last few years has got slightly behind in the technology curve.
And Steve, whose background is very much engineering, mine is very much law and commerce, that we thought we'd come in, give it a try and see if we could re-establish Talon as really one of the main motocross brands globally.
I'm Steve Bones, I'm a director here at Talon. I'm also in charge of engineering and product development.
Steve Bones, he's got a background in MotoGP, so it comes from the sort of the road racing side of the motorcycle industry. But his is very special. He has developed, designed, manufactured and raced his own motorcycles at both Moto3, Moto2 and CRT in MotoGP.
What I want to bring is the technical and the sort of higher end engineering, and we're bringing that now into the motocross and enduro arena. It's about bringing what I've learned over all those years and actually putting it into practice in our new products that are going to be coming from Talon in the very near future.
Traditional techniques can only get you so far. So the modern techniques that we're applying, using like AI-driven design and finite element analysis, stress analysis and things like that, is with motorcycles you've got such a fine margin between performance and safety. But what we're trying to do is, using modern techniques, reach that perfect point of it's incredibly safe and it performs incredibly well, because we've put thousands of hours into these products using really, really advanced techniques that quite a lot of other companies, even OEMs, don't use. That's the sort of baseline of it, is we want the best possible thing, the lightest, strongest, safest possible products on the market. And that's where Talon's aiming in the future from our design standpoint.
I always look for, what can we do to improve performance, whether it's saving a bit of weight, saving a bit of rotating mass. Every product that we're doing, we're looking at and thinking, right, how can we make this the best we possibly can? Rod and I have already invested heavily in new machines. We're producing our hubs in-house now. We've got a brand new 5-axis milling machine that we're doing all of our spoke detail on.
So our machine shop's been here since Talon began, and each year we look at reinvesting in new machines and upgrading what we've got. So from the sprocket section that started in its humble beginnings, we're now using our new CNC machines to manufacture the sprockets in a more precise and a lean manufacturing way, and we're implementing that the whole way through the shop floor. So as we start to progress onto new products, we'll be buying new machines and upgrading that sort of manufacturing techniques.
I'm very proud of the guys we have here, and the fact that this is designed here, it's manufactured here, it's sold from here. I think we've always been based in Somerset, but it's heavy in engineering and manufacturing. There are lots of aircraft and aviation and military companies down here. Promoting British manufacturing in an era where people in the country don't think we make anything is really important. And we like putting that little Union flag on our products to show that this was made here. And we pay all our employees a good wage, we encourage them to stay, we train them so well that they could leave and go anywhere, but they choose to stay.
I work at Talon Engineering. I've been here for 5 years now, and I'm very fortunate to be able to say I love my job. It's not one thing, I love everything about it. I'm a biker through and through, motocross, road. Everything I do, I'm doing for a bike, and I get so much enjoyment out of it. But I'm also fortunate that I'm a supervisor of the sprocket section, and now moving on to the hub section. I'm proud to be British. We've got a lot of good engineers. So why not, you know, stamp our made in Britain?
I've been here for 46 years. When you get to my age, they tell you it flies by, and it really has. But I suppose if you enjoy your job, it goes quicker anyway. We don't do thousands and thousands of products. You know, you might get 100 off this month. And when you get it up and running and get the development done, get it all in production and it works out really good and they sell, that's a bit of achievement really. You've got to enjoy your job. If you don't enjoy your job, you're in the wrong job. And I enjoy engineering.
As a rider develops in their riding career, they always want the best. They're trying to be the best themselves. They're trying to be the fittest. They're trying to be the most mentally alert. And I think that kind of rubs off onto the machinery as well. They want the best wheels. They want the best sprockets. They want to know that they're going to finish the enduro, nothing broke or fell off.
We buy the best material. It's 7075 T6 at the highest grade of T6. It's super flat. So we're pretty confident we can always compete on quality and longevity.
The future for us now is we're going to be pushing the boundaries of what we do with new products. So really we want to keep delivering new product over the next few years. You're going to see a constant stream of new products coming from Talon. Not necessarily just in the dirt bike arena either. We will be doing components into road racing and other spheres, even road bikes.
What I'd like to see is us reaching all those up and coming kids who are, running around now in the 50cc category. I want them to have a journey with us and see some British champions, some European champions and some world champions all come through Talon. That's what we hope.